you talk to me about my new kitchen, I can sit there for a whole day to tell you what I experienced. I'm really excited. Until now, that's almost, I think, 2 or 3 months after the finish. I'm still very excited when you talk to about my kitchen. If I say how much I strongly recommend Mena Stone Surfaces, that's 1,000%. 1,000, I'll be honest, choose her, please. Because when first time I found her is on the website, just a Google, and nobody recommended to me. When I read one review just before